of Drew's coolest features is the ability to start a new drawing with just one click. You start a drawing from a blueprint, we have two here, and a blueprint is a bundle of settings. Instead of having to select a sheet format, a template, a few views, a flat pattern, you just click the blueprint and Drew will create a new drawing for you. You can select the views that you want, whether or not to add outer dimensions, a 3D view if you want one. And because this is a sheet metal part, we also get a flat pattern. After that you can make quick changes, like adding a view, and Drew will make sure everything fits onto the sheet again, so it will even zoom out if it needs to. You can change the sheet size with just one click. You can add a view, you can add an empty sheet, add or remove a table, or say for example select a view and add outer dimensions, or even update the dimension count. All badge tools are in the Drew toolbar, and all other tools are in the Drew task pane on the right.